Hello, guys, how are you? I hope that you are excited, and let me make you even more excited in this video. HackerOne is really your big opportunity, and now I'm going to show you why. I mean, you've got some understanding, but what you will see on this slide is something even more exciting. So as you already know, you can hack legally at HackerOne and you can make money. What kind of money you can make? Well, there are different rewards. And the rewards are like, for example, $100, $1,000, or even $10,000 per bug. Can you imagine this? You can submit a bug and get $1,000 or $10,000 per one bug. It's amazing. It's just amazing. And you can hack many different companies. The greatest companies in the world are a part of this platform, right? For example, Twitter, Yahoo, Uber, Coinbase, Slack, and a lot more. Even United States Department of Defense, so the government. It's just amazing. You can see it wherever you want in the world. And if you've got the internet connection and knowledge is very, very important, then you can do this kind of beautiful work remotely. You can remotely hack the biggest clients legally, the biggest companies. You can make money. It's just amazing. This community around HackerOne is like 100,000 hackers. It's actually over 100,000 hackers. So a lot of people are hacking, during the day and during the night. So yeah, this is happening. This is happening, and I really encourage you to go there and see how these things work in practice. I'm gonna tell you even more. I've got some data that HackerOne published, and this is really nice. Bug hunters have earned 20 million in bug bounties until 2017. Can you imagine this? $20 million. Of course, this is a collective amount of money, right? Because we've got over 100,000 hackers. But this is just impressive. And bug bounties, just to give you more understanding, bug bounty is like a reward for your submission, a reward for the bug that you have found, right? So bounty actually is a kind of reward, right? And that's why we are talking here about the so-called bug bounties. So this is a kind of terminology that you also need to be familiar with, right? So if someone say, I got a bounty, it means that he got actually a reward. And what are the estimations now? What are the estimations of HackerOne? The bug hunters are expected to earn $100 million by the end of 2020. This is an opportunity for you. It's incredible how this company is, accelerating the security industry, and how many very skilled hackers from different corners of the world are participating in this platform. Just amazing. What's more, you can hack all the things at HackerOne, really. You can hack web apps, mobile apps, desktop apps. So, probably if you are listening this course, some people are probably web app hackers, some people are mobile app hackers, some other people focus, for example, on network, infrastructure security testing or pen testing. Guys, it's out there. Just go to a given program, read the terms of this program, and find out if you can really apply your skills to improve the security of a given company and get money at the very end. That's it. So don't think that only web apps are in scope of these programs. No, there is a lot of different things like, as I mentioned, mobile apps, desktop apps, network, infrastructure. Just go to a given program and see the details. But to be honest, web apps are the most predominant ones. Because, well, web apps and web services are, let's say, everywhere. Every single company has web apps, right? So this is the most popular target, but you've got other targets as well. And let's say the another notable example is, for example, mobile app. So let me wrap up this video with a URL, HackerOne.com. This is what you need, HackerOne.com. Just go there, sign up there. Now you have a kind of understanding why this platform is really cool and why you should be a part of this platform. And yeah, I'm even more and more excited about this course when I'm teaching this right now. So this is how HackerOne works, basically. Now you've got a kind of understanding of this platform. So in the next video, I'm gonna tell you something more about the bugs, the good bugs, the bad bugs, a kind of strategy that is good for the beginners who want to start the journey at HackerOne. So let's jump straight to the next video.